Today I want to share with you how you can grow your own herbs in your home, porch, deck, patio, or apartment. All you need are a few things: seeds, soil, light, and water. So today we're going to plant some dill seeds. Dill is a very versatile product, you guys. I love it on my salmon. I love pickling cucumbers with it. You can use it for a variety of different things. And what I'm going to do is take some seed starting mix, put it in some cells. You can use a smaller container, whatever you have, make it work. And take your finger, make a small indentation, you guys. You don't have to bury it super deep. It's not rocket science. Keep it simple. Take your seeds. Dill seeds are very small. So what I like to do is I like to put 2 in each cell. That way, if one doesn't germinate, we have a backup plan. So I'm gently just gonna pop 2 seeds, maybe 3, in each container. Save the remaining seeds for next year. And you gently wanna cover them up, not too much, and there you have it. You've just planted your dill. And you want to sit these in a sunny windowsill. If you're growing in a grow room, you might want to use a grow light, whatever you have, but they need as much light as possible for at least 6 to 8 hours per day. Now, in a few weeks, what you're going to get, voila, we have dill, you guys. Now, this is the size where you want to transplant them into a larger container, and that's what we're going to do right now. All you need to do, pick your container, get you some good potting soil, not the soil from in the yard because it contains pests and things that you don't want in your home. You don't want fungus gnats flying all around. So all I'm gonna do is take one of my cells, gently pop it out from the bottom. Just try to be careful, you guys, not to damage the root ball. And it's not root bound, but as you can see, we have a good root system. And we'll just gently wanna put it in our potting soil, just like so. And you've transplanted your dill. Now you can put rosemary, thyme, basil, whatever you like, you guys. These herbs are so versatile. You can make spaghetti sauces, you can make salsa, whatever you like. Just remember, don't forget to label and live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it.